These are the Daily Tech headlines for Wednesday, July 8th, 2026. I'm Jen Cutter. Lots of Meta news today, so let's jump in. Meta announced its line of smart glasses will implement a new feature to disable the camera when detecting the recording light has been tampered with. Previously, users had been disguising the light with various methods, including simply covering the light up to drilling through the LED. The Meta statement closes with, quote, "No other kind of camera has done this, and we're proud to lead the industry forward." Meta informed 9 to 5 Google the mandatory update is rolling out now. The Financial Times sources report Meta is testing a smart glasses prototype with super sensing, using camera and audio recordings to capture constantly in order to act as a user's searchable memory for all activities and conversations in a day. The sources also claim, quote, "Executives are planning not to activate the LED when the super sensing features are being used." Meta declined to comment. Meta also announced Meta Superintelligence Labs launched Muse Image. Muse Image, an agentic image creator, is available now in Meta AI apps, Instagram stories in the United States, WhatsApp in select countries, and will launch on Facebook in the near future. Muse Images includes Content Seal, which adds an invisible watermark to generated images, able to survive watermark evasion attempts, including cropping and screenshotting. And Wired reports the Muse Image Instagram integration opted in all public Instagram accounts as permitted to be modified to any users of the tool, allowing anyone to generate AI images of another person's likeness. Instagram users can opt out either by making their account private or checking settings to disable the toggle for posts and reels that allow AI. Meta's help page notes, "You will not be notified about content created using AI features at Meta." Google's new feature in the Google Search Console called Platform Properties will share details on how web traffic reaches content creators and website owners. The blog post states users can easily track which search terms lead people to your Instagram, TikTok, X, and YouTube content on search and see exactly how your audience is interacting with your posts. The feature is rolling out slowly over the coming weeks. On Wednesday, CloudFlare announced a pilot research project with OpenAI, testing if CloudFlare's network data enables improved accuracy and efficiency for AI searches. Previously, CloudFlare announced it will block crawlers grabbing content for AI training from any site with ads unless the site's owner explicitly permits it, beginning September 15th. Waymo, which currently operates autonomous taxis in over 10 cities, is adding more to the count with a rollout in San Diego, Las Vegas, Tampa, and Denver over the coming weeks. Initial rides are only for Alphabet employees and will open to the general public later on. On Wednesday, Spotify announced users are now able to pin up to 20 items in a library, up from 4. The feature is available to paid and free users as of today. Apple previously enabled pinning up to 6 items beginning with iOS 26. And DuckDuckGo announced its browser now blocks most video ads, specifically mentioning the ad blocking power over YouTube is based on community filter lists from uBlock origin. The ad blocking functions only within the browser, of course, and not while watching videos through a platform's app. The feature is enabled by default on iPhone, Mac, and Windows, and currently must be manually turned on for Android, though that will change in the near future. This is a separate feature from DuckDuckGo's Duck Player, which plays YouTube videos in browser, blocking tracking cookies and personalized ads. Both features can be run at the same time. For more discussion on the tech news of the day, subscribe to the Daily Tech News Show at dailytechnewsshow.com, where you can also find the show notes and links to every headline. Please remember to rate and review Daily Tech Headlines on your podcast service of choice. From everyone here at Daily Tech Headlines, thanks for listening.